Good morning, students. Welcome you all. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Can you guess whom I'm talking about? Yes, I'm talking about our great Indian leader and father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. In chapter 20, we'll study about how Gandhiji leads the nation. We have divided this chapter into two parts, session 1 and 2. Let's begin with session 1. In this, we'll study about Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, Non-Cooperation Movement, and Chauri Chaura Incident. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Gandhiji, was a barrister who went to South Africa, where he fought against racial discrimination committed by the white rulers. Gandhiji returned to India in 1915 and played a leading role in India's struggle for freedom. His simplicity, commitment to cause, and truthfulness attracted the Indian masses to accept him as a leader. His important weapons are truth and non-violence. Gandhiji traveled to various parts of the country. He was shocked to see that most of the people were poor. Social evils like caste system kept the people divided and backward. They were not allowed to go to temple. Untouchability was prevailing in the society. He was very sad to see that people of low caste were considered as untouchables and were treated badly. He gave the names Harijans to these people, which means people of God. Rowlatt Act. After World War I ended, the British became harsher towards Indians. They imposed fresh taxes and passed new laws to suppress Indians. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi started a campaign against Rowlatt Bill and set up Satyagraha Sabha on 24th February 1919 at Bombay. Satyagraha is a non-violent method to protest against any form of injustice. The aim of enforcing this act was to abolish revolt and uproot conspiracy against the British from India. That was the objective of Rowlatt Act. This act authorized the government to imprison for a maximum period of 2 years without trial any person suspected of terrorism. This is also known as Black Act. There was a wave of anger among Indian people due to Rowlatt Act. Gandhiji asked the people to oppose this law. Demonstrations and meetings were held all over the country. On 13th April 1919, a public meeting was held at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar to protest against the arrest of two important leaders, Dr. Satyapal and Saifuddin Kilchu. It was attended by about 10,000 people. On the orders of General Dyer, the British soldiers blocked the main entrance and fired on unarmed people. About thousands were killed and many were injured. This incident shocked the entire country. Gandhiji now launched non-cooperation movement. He asked the people of India not to cooperate with the British. Muhammad Ali Jinnah and all Indian members working for the British government resigned. Lawyers boycotted the courts. Indian children were withdrawn from British government schools. Many famous lawyers and teachers supported this movement. They have returned their titles which they got from the Britishers. Now, Indians open new schools and colleges for Indian children. At Chauri Chaura, police did the lathi charge over the group of volunteers. That was Chauri Chaura incident. They burnt a police station and 22 policemen were killed. Gandhiji firmly believed that the movement could only succeed if it was non-violent. By this time, Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Nehru, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad also joined non-cooperation movement. But Gandhiji was overwhelmed by the total atmosphere of violence. Hence, he called off non-cooperation movement. Thank you, children.